We love festivals and we really enjoy our festivals because we have a lot of things to do during festival season. We go for shopping, we have get-togethers, we have fun activities, we meet and greet people, we eat a lot of good food, we have decorations, and we have a lot of chit chat, conversations, gossips, and what not. So we meet our friends and relatives and we have quite a good time with them, right, during these festivities. So these are the occasions which we want to come again and again. Now, I was just thinking of making things better for you guys this Diwali because we usually meet and greet a lot of people this season, right? And we are looking forward to, but we have this usual old style of having the conversation like hello, hi, how are you, and then we say yeah, I'm also good, thank you so much. So this is a usual style of conversation. Now I was just thinking of making using something different this season so that you can also use it and make this Diwali different for everyone you meet and greet. So let's get started. So basically when we meet somebody, we say hi, how are you, right? So in spite of saying hi, how are you, we have some other new things or new conversations which we can have instead of hi, how are you, which I'm going to tell you. So this time we can, when we meet people, we can say hi, what's up, or hey, what's up. Okay. The other way of saying it is hi, how are things? Then you can also say hi, how is everything? How are you doing these days? So these are the things which you can replace with hi, how are you? Okay, so these are the three things which I have told you. You can just replace those and it will be something new for them also to hear. So it will be exciting as well for you also to speak. Now, when we say I am fine, yeah, okay, I'm okay. So instead of saying I'm fine or I'm okay, you can always say, if somebody asks you, hi, what's up? You can say, yes, all good, fantastic. Okay, instead of saying I am fine, yeah, I'm okay. Okay, now how to ask how are you? So of course somebody asks you, so you answer them and then you say how are you, you ask them in return. So instead of saying how are you again, you can say how are you doing, or how about you, how are things these days for you. Okay, so you can replace these sentences like how are you again. In spite of saying that, you can say these things. So this will refresh your conversation. It will add a new angle to your conversation and you will also be excited to, speak these things because it's something different for you and it's something different from them also to hear. Okay, and you can hear new things also, new replies from them, like how they are replying to your conversation and your, your talks. So this is one way we can start using these things into our conversation. We can, in spite of using the old words or old sentences. Now the second phase is we go for shopping. Okay, so when we go for shopping, we go to a mall or any other shopping complex or any other place we go, right, for shopping. So what conversations we can have while we are shopping? Now there's a clip for you which I've made where I'm talking about how to describe the place where you are in for shopping. Just check this out. Well, today I'm at a mall and today I'm going to take you with me and I'll tell you what all things are there in a mall which you can talk about in English. For example, I came from the entry point in a mall. I entered the mall. I am at the podium right now, and you can see water fountain, garden, and
people coming and going around. So there are lots of things happening here. There's music, the festival season, and everybody's shopping, eating, enjoying, having fun time at the
Out.
mall.
Okay. Now, once you have entered the shopping complex and you have just seen everything, whatever was around you, you go to a shopping, a store. Now, what you can do is you can if you want to buy something, clothes, if you want to buy a cloth or a shirt or a t-shirt, you will go to the section and you will just ask somebody, if you can help me. The first conversation you can have is, can somebody help me with this? Okay, so then somebody will come and help you. Okay, and then you can talk. Okay, so I'm looking for XL size in the t-shirts. Can you please help me where I can find the XL t-shirts? So the person will assist you. Then you can check those out according to the size, and then you can ask them, if there any other color in this. I was looking for something different. Again, the person can help you on that, right? Okay, then once the t-shirt is done, if you're looking for something else, you can just check with him, if I'm looking for some shoes as well, so where can I find the shoes? So the person will direct you to go to the shoe section. So those are the conversations you can have there, and then you can go for billing, and then you can just give your stuffs there on the counter, and just they will take out the bill, and they'll ask what payment mode you want to pay. You can say cash or card or anything, whatever you suits you, and then you can just give it to them, and then they'll ask you if you need a bag, and you can say yes or no, and then you can take your stuff and you can go out. Okay, so that is as simple as that. So you are done shopping. Now you're hungry. You want to go to a restaurant and eat. So, here is a clip I have for you. What talks or what conversations or what things you can, you know, speak about in a restaurant. Okay, so check this out first.
Well, I'm at a restaurant today, and guys, I'll take you along. Well, today I'm going to talk about what conversations we can have in a restaurant in English. Well, so let's get started. Well, I'm pretty hungry now, and it's 2 o'clock. It's time for lunch. I want to order something to eat. Let's see the menu card. This is a menu card. Let's see what's in the menu. Well, I want to eat Chinese today. Oh, it has momos, starters, rice, noodles. Pretty good menu. I think today I'm going to eat fried rice and chicken manchurian. Well, let's
Now,
order.
so you are sitting there, you want to order your lunch. So you can go up to the counter, you can say, hi, I want to order fried rice and chicken manchurian. So the person will take your order. He will ask you that how would you like to pay. You can say card or cash, and then you can ask him or her that what is the bill or how much is the bill, and then you can pay the amount, and then you can ask the person how long it will take for your order to come, right? And then they'll say 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You can take the token and you can go back and sit at your place. After 15 minutes, you can go and take your order, bring your order, eat well, enjoy your meal, and you're done, right? So it was so simple, right? So guys, take these small tips and start practicing in your daily life. It's very simple. I can do it, you can also do it. Just start practicing. Bye bye. Happy Diwali.